I actually worked with this collection on Saturday. So that's why it's in my little pouch. But these are all of the products, the a la carte products in the last collection we're going to look at. And this is Simple Vintage Meadow Flowers. All right, so that's why this is all kind of broken apart because I dug into it. All right, so let's take a look, starting with the paper pad. Simple Vintage Meadow Flowers. 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. Everything is double-sided. I know we're starting to get late, Paula. Paula said it's 11 p.m. in Connecticut. She's off to bed. Have a good night's sleep. Grow your dreams like flowers. And I pulled a bunch of these out. So beautiful, beautiful pastels. Love that green. This one I love so much. Just that kind of center area. This would make a great paper for a list, for a background. Again, I pulled all of these things out on the weekend on Saturday, so that's why everything's falling apart. I love this paper. I think it's so pretty. Kind of the florals with the little kind of pieces of tape, looking pieces of tape. Nice little garden scene there. Tickets. Little yellow floral. There's tags with a pattern on the back. 3x4 cut aparts with little dragonflies on the back. And that takes us to the second set of 12. Now, there are a few that I pulled out that we didn't look at. That was one. Loved that. Again, great for a list. This guy, Find Beauty in Each Moment. You'll see kind of this plaid, the yellow plaid, the pink plaid. Love those little cut aparts. Huh. I had used part of that paper, I think. That blue plaid, another beautiful. Did we already see the green plaid? I think we did. All right, so there we go. That is the 6x8 paper pad, and I apologize if that's all pulled apart, but I already used it. I already dug in. Okay, next up, the sticker book. So excited about these. So we saw it in the paper. Right, we saw it in the paper, but now we're also looking at it in the sticker, which means we can have a lot of fun with those little stickers. All right. 12 sheets. This sticker book has 285 stickers in it. Hello, Lauren and the yarn. She said, I'm happy I didn't miss it all. That collection is gorgeous too. Yeah, this is another beautiful one. Virginia woke up and couldn't go back to sleep. Oh, I hate it when that happens, Virginia. Well, like I said, I hope I put you to sleep. Now, everyone else, I hope I don't put you to sleep, just Virginia, because it's middle of the night for her. These, I love these stickers. So all individual flower stickers, they're just so like sweet with a little kind of piece of tape that's taping them down. Love that one. Is that an echinacea, maybe? Little hearts as well. Butterflies, a couple of dragonflies. Circles. Some different, all different kinds of tabs and labels. Yellow polka dot alpha. Ooh, those are fun little border strips, aren't they? What I love about these, if you're working in a traveler's notebook, each one of those is wide enough for the bottom of your traveler's notebook page. Little words and phrases. Some banners. Large florals. I love all of those. That one, that daisy, so good. Little garden scene. Look at the little path with the stones. So fun. Words and titles. Good scale there, good size. And tickets, all right? So that is the sticker book from Meadow Flowers. Then we have the Rub-ons, so 2 6x8 sheets. Lots of different titles and icons there in the Rub-ons. Same thing on the back. Well, not the same thing. Different artwork, but titles and icons. That's what I meant by same thing. Got to be careful of what I'm saying. All righty. Woo! Deep breath. We keep going, don't we? All right. So we have, again, excuse all my little cut apart things here. I did work with this collection on Saturday a little bit. Okay, so bits and pieces. Let's start with the bits and pieces. This tree comes from the bits and pieces pack. I thought I was going to do something with that tree, but I didn't. Love that little watercolor tree, right? So the bits and pieces, 51 pieces from Meadow Flowers. Take a quick look at those. Lots of great little tickets. Lots of little tickets and hearts and butterflies. I think this, I may have, did I mix these up? Nope, that's a good size die cut. Usually we'd see some of these in some of the bigger packs that Simple Stories does. But these are the bits and pieces. So look how large that is. Nice variation of size here in the die cut pack. Again, there's that stone path. I love that tree. Love it, love it, love it. So different titles, different icons, tickets, some little banners, butterflies, dragonflies in the die cut. So if you want to kind of get a closer look, you can see that image a little bit larger on my website. Okay, we're going to make this pile over here. And then we're going to take a look at the floral bits. So floral bits are going to be heavy on the flowers. Heavy on the flowers with probably some butterflies mixed in, I'm going to imagine. I'm going to guess, I don't have to imagine. Karen said, we need Simple Stories to do lots of laser cut die cuts for us. I know, they don't do laser cuts. Well, they haven't to this point. All right, floral bits, lots of flowers. And look at that same kind of artwork with the little tape. It's almost like you've got your little junk journal and you've taken a dried flower and you put it in and then you put a little piece of washi tape on top to hold it down. All those beautiful flowers. Some butterflies, right? Lots of different sizes, scale, bumblebees, butterflies. Love that. All right. So also simple vintage, but looks totally different style, right? Totally different design than the simple vintage linen market that we just looked at. Those are the floral bits. 51 pieces in the floral bits. Oh my goodness. I need another stack. I need another stack here. I'm just going to have them, when they get here, I'm going to say, okay, take this stack downstairs, take this one down, take stacks down one at a time. All right, then we have the ephemera. So ephemera are going to be the larger pieces. The artwork has been layered for us in some of the pieces. That little stack of envelopes. I love the big tickets. Always love the big tickets. Ooh, look at that one. That's a nice layer. Some botanicals with some different pieces behind it. The Naturalist's Library. Postcards. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that. And library card layered. Oops. Nope, there we go. So 21 pieces in that pack. Alrighty. We're in the home stretch now. Let's take a look at the washi. Washi in Meadow Flower. That is the collection we're looking at. Simple Vintage Meadow Flower. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at them that way. You have the green plaid, those beautiful meadow florals, meadow floral. For some reason, that is really hard for my head to wrap around. Meadow floral. Kind of a solid yellow, a purple polka dot, and then some little dragonflies. All right, so everything that we've looked at so far is a la carte. Now, when we look at the big bundle includes everything. Oh, whoopsie, forgot these, sorry friends. The sentiment bits, so also available a la carte. Now these sentiment bits are a little bit different than the sentiment bits that we saw in Linen Market. The sentiment bits in Linen Market were words and then kind of those little sewn pieces that you could combine, mix and match. These are a little bit different. So these are still sentiments, right? If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Sure, we're gonna find something to go with that. Oh, look at these. You belong among the wildflowers. So those would be beautiful on cards. Happy bloom. You are happy. the little things, happy moments, a lovely, beautiful. These are just kind of the mix and match and build like we saw on the others. Thank you. Happy birthday. Love you. Beautiful. Hello. Enjoy. Yes, anyhow. So those are the sentiment bits. Sentiment bits, 45 pieces, and that gives you a good idea of what all of those look like. Okay, now we get to the big bundle. Oh my gosh, we're almost 2 hours in, friends. There's a lot. That's why I knew we couldn't do all the say cheese stuff tonight too. It'd just be too much. I'd be asleep. I'd be talking in my sleep. I don't know, sometimes I feel like I could. All right, so everything that we just looked at was a la carte. Now in the big bundle. So big bundle includes all our cart items. So the washi, the sticker book, the 6x8 paper pad, the sentiment bits, the floral bits, the ephemera, the rub-on. So all of those things that we saw a la carte, but in addition to, also includes the decorative brads. So those are the metal rimmed brads that are self-adhesive, no prongs on the back. They stick super well, nice and sturdy with chipboard there along the bottom. You have the glitter enamel dots, 5 colors, 60 enamel dots, 3 sizes of each color. The foam stickers. I love all of those titles with the just kind of the really faint like book page behind it. Foam stickers. The self-adhesive chipboard. The chipboard clusters. It's a good kind of cluster, right? Good kind of cluster. So chipboard, so dimensional but still flat. The chipboard frames. Beautiful frames with all of that artwork. So layered but flat. And then the 12 by 12 paper pack. So we'll just kind of take a quick peek at that and then we will call it a night. All right, 12 by 12 paper pack. The 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet along with 12 by 12 double-sided papers. So there is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And as we start to look at the papers will be similar patterns, if not the same, to what we saw in the 6x8 paper pad, just in a obviously larger size 12 by 12, but then the pattern is also scaled, meaning the pattern is larger on a 12 by 12 than this exact paper would be on a 6x8 because it would be scaled down. Love that kind of mixed ephemera there. Really pretty pink floral with the green plaid. So we're going to see that plaid represented in different colors on the B-sides in the color palette. Those kind of little fun flowers with the tape. There is the yellow plaid. So great basic. There's a nice green with the purple plaid. Love this sheet with all of that layered artwork. So, so pretty. Those flowers again. Nice yellow with the blue plaid. More floral with the pink plaid. So that plaid is kind of consistent, right? On the B-sides throughout. You have the tags. Tags front and back in the 12 by 12, but in the 6 by 8, you only have the tags on the front. You have a solid on the back in the 6 by 8. The journal elements, so those cut aparts. The cut apart 3 by 4 cards. The tickets on the back. The cut apart 4 by 4, 2 by 2 cards. And last but not least, those cut apart 4 by 6 cards. Little dragonflies on the back.